Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 54. The instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question 41 to 70. And the statement here says Shola runs dash. Shola runs dash. Option A, ran the feed before breakfast twice. B, ran the feed twice before breakfast. C, ran twice the feed before breakfast. D, the feed ran before breakfast twice. Option E, the feed twice ran before breakfast. As a matter of fact, option D and E is out of content, so they are not even grammatical, so it is not in order with the rule of grammar. Then option A, B, C, because runs is to runs by the law, verb modifies itself. Noun, adjective, adverb. So in this content, this verb here modifies ran, the adjective. So the adjective ran. So we have here, we have here, we have here. Then the field, the number, that is the standard, the number twice the feed before breakfast. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.